The following message is at the request of the White House. A nuclear emergency has been issued by the United States Department of Energy for in the following areas: all areas south of London, Kentucky, north of Dalton, Georgia, east of Cookeville, Tennessee, and west of Asheville, North Carolina. If you are in the perimeter of this alert, you are urged to proceed to a fallout shelter. This is not a drill. Once in a fallout shelter, tune a radio to 107.7 FM or listen to NOAA Weather Radio for further instructions. The following message is at the request of the White House. A nuclear emergency remains in effect until further notice. At 12:25 p.m. an accident occurred at the Oak Ridge National Laboratory in Oak Ridge, Tennessee, which may lead to a major nuclear explosion. It is important to remain calm and in your fallout shelter until further notice. If you are not in a shelter now, it is urgent that you seek shelter immediately. Stay tuned to 107.7 FM or NOAA Weather Radio for more information. The U.S. Department of Energy has given an all-clear to all the alerted areas. At 11:25 p.m., the nuclear threat was neutralized. You may exit your fallout shelter and resume normal activities.